better than the Affleck duck.
Tornado emergency for PLEVNA. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Reno County until 12:15 a.m. At 11:50 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Sylvia, or 6 miles east of Zenith, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for PLEVNA. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards include an extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado. The tornado was confirmed by spotters. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near PLEVNA around 11:55 p.m. Abbeville around midnight. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. A large and extreme. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.